Hey, it's Thomas. You typed in how to stay focused at work, and I've got a few solid tips for you. You might be in the office or you might be at home. A few major things that have always helped me when I realize them. It's to get the body active again. The number one thing I do is because of this. When you can't stay focused on the work that you're doing, then your mind's just going everywhere on all these different thoughts. If you just think about it physiologically, instead of staying focused right here into what you have to do, you're going everywhere and you need to get your body more active to all of that. So, simply put, any sort of workout. Some places that I've worked in the past, I haven't been able to really do much, so I'd go for a lap around, or I'd go up and down the steps, come back to work. That's also a great focus to, breathe in, breathe out. That's what you're doing through activity. You're just trying to concentrate back in. Um, what I do, number one now, is I'll just put on some headphones, throw some music on, and just go for a run. Actually just got back because I'm completing a huge project, and I was getting a little bit out there because I'm working straight through for a few hours now. A few too many, right? And I went for a quick run, had some of my best songs, and was just listening to the run. Now I do quicker, now I do slower. It's not I'm racing against time. I'm just catching myself back up. If you don't have that possibility, or you don't want to go at the gym to the gym during lunch, uh, uh, talked about this with friends to just put in our headphones or Bluetooth, and like my buddy who's at another job and I'm at doing something else, someplace else, we'll go on a run or a walk together, and that way we're able to talk. Especially works well with good friends that you don't see all the time. Anyway, I hope these were some great tips on how to stay focused at work. I know they help me, and I know they help a lot of people. Just in case you were wondering, I actually uh, just quit a full-time job not too long ago to, you know, uh, do stuff online just from a computer. What I was able to do in a cubicle anyway, now I just work from anywhere I want, as opposed to listening to someone else. I come up with my own rules. Click the link below if you'd like to find out about that. Otherwise, stay focused on whatever work that you're doing, because you just need to remember why it's of importance, remind yourself, and just complete that goal. Hope this helped you stay focused at work. See ya.